Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about crypto.com, give a little price prediction and thoughts on where I think we're headed in the short term, medium term, and kind of the long term prediction that I have for Crocoin, as well as give a little update on Tectonic and go over the overall fear and greed and the sentiment of the market, as well as where the overall macroeconomics of crypto are at and where I think we're going to be taken to. So, guys, without further ado, we are at 6,800 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And at 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded lion NFT, guys. Super excited to give this away. Many more giveaways to come. Also, if you're a YouTube member, you get plus 10 additional entries to winning this loaded lion. It's about $2,500. Super excited to give it away. All right, let's hop in here. So, the overall crypto market right now, we are consolidating, guys. It's perfect. This is what we want. We want to see this. We had a huge move to the upside. Huge is a relative term. I mean, we came up significantly on Bitcoin from about the $15,000 lows to about $23,000, which is awesome. And we're consolidating. That's what we want to see. We want to see some sideways trading action. We don't want to see any swift movements to the downside. We could get a little bit of a pullback. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we came and retested the $19,500 price range. But I will say, we got those weekly candle closes above 19,500, so I'm gonna stay bullish. I'm optimistically bullish right now, and I'm cautious. I'm a little bit cautious, but at the same time, we are consolidating. The traditional markets have not opened just yet, but they will shortly, and maybe we'll see a more clear depiction on where we're headed today. But I mean, like, we have everything is just consolidating. It's honestly what we want to see for the altcoins. I mean, Doge was just green, and the meme coins were just green. We got other green. Like, we're looking good. Crow coin is green. I actually made a tweet the other day about selling all my meme coins and putting into bonk. I think that is the move. I was kind of joking around, but at the same time, I. I've been airdropped so many meme coins into my in the Solana ecosystem, and they've just accumulated from just random airdrops from people sending me them, and I'm just thinking I'm probably going to sell them all and put them into Bonk because I think that there's honestly a decent chance that Bonk is a big player come the next bull run when it specifically comes to meme coins. Not, by all means, I'm not saying that you should go out and buy Bonk right now, guys. Do not go out and buy Bonk. Not financial advice, but I am saying that, I have some Bonk, and I'm probably going to be consolidating some of my throwaway money into Bonk because, I think that there's probably potential chance for a big run up come the next bull run. So very, very, very interested about that. And just a little tweet I put out yesterday about doing that. And if you want to follow my Twitter, I'm over at 333 Blacksea. Go ahead here. We're almost at 1,000 followers. Super excited to get there. But yeah, just my 2 cents on that. So let's look over the fear and greed index right now, because right now we're at 52. We were at 50 for a little while. 52, guys. This is nothing. I've been saying in my previous videos that there's been sentiment saying, like, oh, guys, the greed is already at 52. Like, we have to come down. Like, no, guys, no. We came up and we were above 50 for over a year's time. I mean, we were at 90 for a couple months, which is actually nuts. Being around the 90 and 70 range of the greed index, it's incredible. But guys, we're starting to make some bullish moves. It's really nice. It's really nice to see. Even if we do get a move back to the downside, as long as we don't touch this, as long as we don't make any lower lows, guys, then we're technically in the bull run. Technically, the bull run starts off the bottom. You can look at it that way. We're technically in the bull run right now, so very, very curious to see how this year plays out. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Do you think we're going to go to $30,000 in February? Do you think we're going to come back down and stay in this price range of 15,000 to 25,000 for the whole of 2023? Very, very curious on what you guys think. So let's look over at Crocoin. Guys, we are breaking out. We are breaking out of this mini formation here inside of this channel. Very excited to see this. We're looking over at the daily right now. I think we're going to be getting a little move. Let's draw a little line here and see, create a little measured move and see where we could come if we break out of this. I mean, you can't make this up, guys. You can't make this up. If we break out of this to the upside, a measured move of about reaching to the top of this channel of about 10 cents, there's definitely, that's where I think we're headed. I've been saying that for a while now. I think we're headed towards the top of this channel and create this, hopefully turn this resistance into support, because honestly, guys, like fair value. 12 cents to 15 cents in my opinion right now, maybe even more. I mean, this whole movement down here, this capitulation event, was basically all just because of FTX and that pure FUD that just kept getting spread around, because FTX, one exchange collapses, and next thing you know, everyone's attacking exchanges because, oh, if they are going to if this big exchange collapse, and all these other exchanges should collapse. But no, it's not how it works. But yeah, guys, I'm looking for a movement to the top of this channel. I think that we're going to be hitting this 10-cent mark. Hopefully we break above it. And I do think we'll break above it as long as the S&P 500 breaks above its channel, which we'll talk about shortly. But let's look over at Tonic right now, because, guys, Tonic is ripping and roaring. New all-time high of, well, new local top, I should say. We're not at an all-time high, but we are for the past, since May of 2022. Yeah, I mean, it's been months and months and months. It's been like 8 months, and we're at a new high, which is awesome. Super super cool for my Tectonic holders. Be careful. We came up pretty fast, but at the same time, it's a low market cap coin. We could just keep doing this. It definitely could happen, but just be careful, guys. I would not have a large percentage of my portfolio in a small cap coin. I would just have something similar, like close to about the 1% of my portfolio in coins like this. But that's just my personal opinion. That's my strategy. It's not financial advice. Do your own research. But personally, just be careful. Just be careful. That's all I'm going to say. We could definitely come back down, retest this support at 1988, and bounce off. And I mean, honestly, this would be kind of healthy, but I mean, we already did that, honestly. We don't want to see that, but it would be okay. I wouldn't be super worried if that happened, but yeah, more like around here at the 602214 is what you're looking for, a retest and bounce off of something like that. But yeah, guys, be careful. Let's look over the S&P 500. So we're looking at the weekly chart right now. We're testing and playing around with this resistance level. We've been doing it for months, guys. We've been doing it for months and months and months. We've been doing it for a year, really. Now that I think about it, it's been a year, and guys, we're getting close. We're getting close. I kind of was saying this the other day. I think that we were going to do something like this, where we were going to come up after we came down, just kind of come up like this and retest it immediately again. We're applying pressure to this resistance level. Let's look over at the daily chart, because kind of get a better look, and then next we'll look at the 4-hourly. But yeah, we're closing above it. Well, we do have another 6 hours, but we are breaking through this, which is very very exciting. I'll be honest, guys. I really am super bullish if we break out above this. As long as it's not a fake out, that definitely is a chance that we do something like this and just come back down. But if we get some candle closes and we start a bullish move, a pivot in the markets, a bullish divergence, risk on assets, guys. Risk on assets. Super bullish if that happens. So keep a close eye on that. So Bitcoin. Man, first let's look at the 4-hourly on. Let's get a better look. I mean, we've broken outside, and we are actually testing this line as support right now. So keep a very close eye on this, guys. Keep a very close eye on this. Today, I'm very curious to see where we end up. Will we end up above or below this trend line? It's going to be a make or break moment for the traditional markets, really, the traditional markets and the crypto markets as a whole. So let's keep a close eye on that. So Bitcoin, guys, bullish. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Have I said that enough? I mean, we're getting these daily candle closes above the 19,500. I love to see it. We even have weekly candle closes above the 19,500. If this 5 days and 9 hours closes above 19,500, oh man, bullish continuation, guys. Bullish continuation leading into the Bitcoin halving. Let's see this happen like that. Want to see that. I mean, there's a very, very high possibility that we end this year in the 30 to 50K mark. I mean, I think that's a very, very doable. I mean, I think you look back to this, we came up to 12,000 when the peak was at about 19,000 when we leading into the Bitcoin halving of 2017 to 2018. And we only capitulated down because of the pandemic dump. It's I think that we could have some serious bullish movement here, and It may be one of Bitcoin's most hated rallies. We'll see what happens. We'll definitely see what happens. But I do think that a lot of people are starting to think about that, which is also a little worrisome. But at the same time, I'm seeing so much disbelief in the market saying, oh, we need to dump. We need to dump. We need to dump. Guys, we've been dumping for over a year. A year. We've been dumping. We don't need to dump anymore. We can have some rallies. Even how about a bear market rally? That's what this could be. We could come up and come back down. That's okay. But as long as we don't make new lows, I'm calling it the beginning of the bull market. So guys, what does that mean for CRO coin? You know, guys, I mean, we're closing the year at 45, 50K. I mean, come on, we're going to be back up to 50 cents easily, easily, and there's no reason why we aren't playing around with the 80 cents to a dollar, especially if we're consolidating around the $50,000 range for an extended period of time. A dollar CRO coin is programmed in. I don't like when people say that, but I will say that, like, as long as Bitcoin gets above that price target and CROcoin keeps doing, crypto.com keeps doing what they're doing, there's no reason why we don't retest all-time highs, which was a dollar, and there's no reason why we don't double it if Bitcoin goes to 160K. Bullish. I'm bullish. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also, please consider becoming a member. All you gotta do is click this join button on the channel or in the description box below. You get all these different, we have different membership tiers. You get all these different perks, like these loyalty badges for our live streams every Tuesday, Thursday, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hopefully, I see you today. And you get access to our private Discord where there's a little bit more one-on-one with Crypto Kip and I, as well as there's NFT Alpha, NFT Whitelist spot giveaways, as well as just some trade signals and just more of a community feel, and that's what I really am going for. I'm really excited about just building that out. And on top of that, each month you are a YouTube member, you get 10 additional entries on winning this loaded line NFT, guys. Love doing giveaways, want to do more, I want everybody to win something, But thanks so much for watching, guys. That's all I got. See you in the next one.